Imagine you're a farmer and you've got hundreds of chickens and you want to produce the biggest chickens possible to produce the most meat. So what you're going to do is firstly identify the desired characteristic that you want. So you identify the desired characteristic that you want to breed for. In this case, it is large chickens. So in this case, the desired characteristic is large chickens. And then what you do is you select the chickens that show the desired characteristic. So you select the organisms with the desired characteristic. In this case, it is the chickens that are the largest. So that's what we've done here. And then you're going to breed them together. So the next step is that you breed the organisms with the desired characteristic. So you breed the organisms with the desired characteristic. In this case, you're going to breed the chickens at the largest chickens, and you're going to produce offspring, hopefully with very large chickens. So now what you can do is identify and select for the desired characteristic in your offspring. So you select the offspring with the desired characteristic. So you select the offspring with the desired characteristic, and then you breed them together. So you're breeding the offspring together to form even more offspring that are even larger. So you breed the offspring with the desired characteristics together, and then hopefully you're going to form even larger chickens. So then you repeat this process. Really important, you repeat this process. The more times you do, you have the desired characteristic, and you might end up with a super chicken like the one I've just drawn with lots of meat. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So you're going to first identify and select for the desired characteristic. You're choosing variety A because it is fast growing. So variety A is fast growing, and it also produces many potatoes. So that is why we're selecting variety A. We're going to select for variety B as well, because variety B produces large potatoes. I know there's a mistake in the video, but it produces large potatoes, not many. So then what you do is you breed variety A with variety B. You breed variety A with variety B, and this will then produce offspring. So you select the offspring with the desired characteristics. In this case, you are looking for the desired characteristics of the offspring, which are going to be fast growing, produces many potatoes, and have large potatoes. And then you breed the offspring with the desired characteristics. So if you've got fast growing, many potatoes that are large, you then grow those plants together, and you repeat this process, and you repeat it